Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hope you guys are able to hear me good. I don't have my earphones on. I don't know my little plug ones, and I don't want to wear these big things. I've been having them on me all day. I fell asleep out where I am, out in the wilderness. I fell asleep. I was meditating. I woke up, and there was a group behind me. Right around me. I woke up, and I hear this noise, and I look, and they're like, "Wakey, wakey." I said, how long I been asleep? They said, we've been here about 20 minutes. I said, what you drinking? Boba tea. You bring me one? No, we didn't know you were coming. Want me to go get you one? Bring it tomorrow. I'll bring it the next day. I like that. That brings a good vibe and spirit in my system. All right. Don't let me talk about my set on this again. I had it in this little pouch, and I guess I couldn't see it either. I had it in a pouch because I wanted to do this video, and it was in the seat and set. Crushed it. So let me get this over with. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Usually 3 things I say. I'm so tired right now. Thank you for, I don't know what else. Thank you for something. All right, let's read this. This is the one Yeah, this is the one I picked. This is the final one on the one I picked. I got a whole bunch more. They gave me a whole bunch more. I got to pick more. Okay. Oh, let me read the back here. Learn Chinese. Zodiac. Ox. I don't know. In Chinese, this is Nu. N-I-U. Ox. What does that mean? And learn Chinese. Man, there's so many. I know about 10% of 5 languages. I would like to learn one full language, and I just don't know which one it's going to be. If somebody picks me up, then I know what language I'm going to learn. Lucky numbers. Oh, I can't read that right now. Okay, a smile is the most effective medicine. Yes, that is me. I smile. I smile a lot. I like to have a good time. Okay, random thoughts, answers to questions, and whatever else to end this November, which I probably will put this out December, but we'll see. Let's get it started. Okay, first comment. I don't even know I don't know if I'm saying you guys' names, but Rufus, inside joke. You've become a lot better in patience. What is your secret? No secret. Patience, people think, is the ability to wait. But patience is how you act while waiting. Feel me? Okay, next one. Tell us about your benefits of meditation. Well, somebody told me, give it time, because meditation is a powerful thing. Wait 8 weeks and do it consistently and watch your brain structure change. I believe that is probably some of the things that's happened with me. Even though I don't feel like I have a set pattern or structure, just when I feel like doing, when it comes upon me. Can I talk like that? When it comes upon me, I entertain the fact. Yeah, that's why I do it. And I just have a few things to get through. And then once I'm very excited to, okay, it's time to do this. But I don't know, I'm the type, sometimes I just do it when I feel it. So, but people say, yeah, man. And I see, not even people who know me, it's just, I can't blame it all on the motorbike, can I? Okay. Where's the love doctor at? He's coming. I told you, give me some time. Give me some time. But I'll answer this. Give us some of that love mojo. What is something to get the ladies? I don't know. But I'm going to tell you this. You know what I found out? Touching a woman on her shoulder or her arm. Want me to tell you the story? Okay. So I'm not in that realm yet. I said, give me some time. I gotta get myself together, please. 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 All right. But what I found out, maybe I should tell the story, but I touched the person on a shoulder like, nah, come on, let's go over there. But I was doing it because she was stressed. She was stressed out. She was upset at something. I was like, no, come on, let's go over here. Right? And first I was like, you want to go over here? She's like, no, I do not. No, I do not. I was like, come on, let's go over here. But I was trying to calm her down. And she was like, okay. I was like, damn. Okay, and then I did it again. Like, I just touched somebody on the shoulder and arm. And I was like, you want to go over here? Like, come walk with me. I said, what are you doing? She's like, oh, I'm running late over here. I was like, nah, come walk with me. She came walk with me. So, is it because I'm touching them on the shoulder and the arm? Damn, I'm telling the secret. I'm telling the secret. I'm starting to do that now, like touching on like, hey, you want to go over here? Sure. I'm like, oh, I might be on. So, try that. Something unique I learned in the hospital. Something unique. Well, I learned that you can faint or even die from pooping too hard. So, just keep that in mind when you're getting on the toilet. Keep the shit easy. What have you learned or benefited from being around a toxic environment? I was just talking about this and I just watched this video. Kelly, if you're watching me, this one's for you also. Don't depend on anybody in this world, because even your shadow leaves you when you're in darkness. I'm going to talk more about it in a later video. Mr. Sensitivity, and she says this sarcastically, and I never responded to her, and I'm responding now. What do you think you know about women? You know, the funny thing is I never declared that I knew women. But I tell you what I do. What I do know. Tell a woman she's not fat 1,000,000 times. She'll never believe you. But one time you tell her she's fat, she'll never forget it. Okay, I'm going to end it here, and I'm going to finish up the rest of these messages people think I forgot. Hidden messages that I have that I will do probably the end of next month. Okay? I thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll be back with some other videos and stories. Okay? Let me end it with this. Something to kind of think about, ponder. Ponder this, okay, in our COVID times and everything. Think about this. When you're at a restaurant, make sure you wash your hands after you order, because the menu generally is the dirtiest thing you can possibly touch. Till next time. Till next time. Oh, baby, love me right. Let me love you till I get it right. Why can't you let the others be? 'Cause with you is where I've got to be. And we say, oh, Sheila. Ah, ah, ah.